In front of me is NUBIA Neo 3, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Cleaning storage won't delete any photos or apps from your device, only junk files you don't need and don't even see. So to clean them up, you need to find Cleanup app, tap on it, scroll all the way down and hit agree at the bottom right corner. Now tap on allow all. And last but not least, hit junk files to tap on OneTap Cleanup. When I do that and confirm my choice, I can see that all of my junk files were successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!